The Canadian auto parts tycoon is facing over a dozen offenses involving 18 women, and the case has been split in two. So the trial happening here in Toronto will only hear from 7 of the complainants. And a reminder, none of these charges have been proven in court. The allegations against 93-year-old Frank Stronach go as far back as 1977 and include sexual assault and forcible confinement. The case will not involve a jury after the Magna International founder opted for a judge-only trial. Criminal defense lawyer Kim Schofield, who is not connected to the trial, tells me historical sexual assault cases are often challenging.
Memory is probably the biggest challenge. And so the evidence as it unfolds will, of course, be affected by, as we refer in court proceedings, the passage of time. And this is not just the passage of what one would expect to set a trial date, so 6 months, 2 years, but this is the passage of decades. So credibility aside, whether these people are telling the truth in the first place, it's the reliability of their evidence as time passes.
Stronach, who emigrated to Canada in the 1950s and settled in York Region just north of Toronto, is now one of the richest people in the country after becoming a giant in the auto parts industry. Stronach was arrested by Peel Police in June of 2024 and was initially facing 5 charges. Jane Boone is in Toronto to observe the trial. She's not part of the criminal case, but has filed a civil lawsuit against Stronach, claiming she was sexually assaulted as an intern back in 1986, an allegation he has denied, as he has all the charges against him.
It's really important to me to signal to the criminal complainants that they have a lot of support. I believe them that something awful happened, and I know that the next few weeks are going to be awful for them. The police decided not to charge on my behalf as part of the criminal suit, and quite frankly, this frees me up to be a vocal participant in a different way.
The identities of the women involved in the criminal case are protected by a publication ban. Now, veteran Justice Anne Malloy will be overseeing the case. Opening arguments are set for Tuesday. The trial is expected to last several weeks, and then a second trial will begin this spring in York Region. Outside the courthouse in Toronto, Shauna Hunt, City News.